in the Hungry Shark Evolution community and you see players with tons of money and you feel sad. Well, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get the Hungry Shark Evolution modded version on your phone with iOS and Android support and unlimited resources. So as you can see, I am so rich. As you can see, what the heck? So let's get right into the video and I'm going to show you guys how to download this onto your device. So yeah, there's some people out there that don't believe there's Hungry Shark Evolution hacks, but trust me guys, there is. So how will we download it and what will we do? The first step is going to be going onto this site right here, and at this point we're going to go to the search bar and we're going to type in Hungry, and as you can see it says Hungry Shark Evolution mod, so press on it, wait for it to download, and there you go. So see you later, but yeah, subscribe to the channel, super cool guys, and it's no ban or anything like that. So I'm going to go to the App Store though and just show you guys that this is a very expensive game. I'm not going to sugarcoat it. So as you can see, here's the Hungry Shark Evolution. Then we go to the in-app purchases, and no, what the heck? Oh my gosh, the gems cost so much, guys. So I'm going to see you in another video. So subscribe to the channel and get the word out, guys. This is super awesome and it's totally working. So if this video works to you guys, definitely go ahead and share it. See you guys later. But yeah, as you can see, I have so much money. And it's not even funny, guys. Like, I have, what, freaking 1.4 billion green stuff. So that's super cool, guys. So be sure to try it out for yourself. If you're poor, guys, in the Hungry Shark Evolution, then you want this modded version. So, yeah. So, I'll see you guys later. But, yeah, subscribe because this is super cool. It totally works. So, peace out. This is pretty epic, and it's totally working and everything. So, this video works for you guys. Be sure to share it with the community so everyone knows about it, because I'm not trying to be rude, but like we gotta educate. Instead of like hiding these mods for ourselves, let's bring it to the forefront and tell everyone about it. So I'm gonna see you guys later, and peace out.